the eMeet Luna. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the eMeet Luna Bluetooth conference speakerphone. This is an option for many that are working from home these days and can be used in many of the video meeting programs. I will go over specs, features, and provide an audio sample, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, a USB-C dongle, and the USB-C charging cable, along with an audio cable. The Luna features 7 to 8 hours of usage. It takes 3 hours to fully charge and has a 2600 mAh battery. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, button controls, 3 microphones, and an AI noise reduction feature. USB-C for charging, and you can daisy chain an additional Luna speakerphone. You can also use it for Skype, FaceTime, Zoom, and WebEx, just to name a few of the programs. The Luna has a small compact design. It has a metal shell and it feels solid. On the top, you'll find the LED, AI noise reduction button, answer and call button, volume down, mute, unmute, volume up, Bluetooth pairing, and the on and off button. The back has a USB-C charge port, aux out and link port, aux in, and a lock port if you want to secure it to a table. On the bottom, you'll see some rubber padding to provide stability, the 3 microphones, and a pocket to store the USB dongle. Now I'll turn it on so you can hear the sounds along with toggling the noise reduction feature.
Voice IO on. Voice IO off. Voice IO on. Voice IO off.
The speakerphone comes in at 4.6 by 1.4 inches. It weighs in at 285 grams. And now here's a sample test call using an iPhone.
Hello?
Hey, how's it going, man?
Good, how about yourself?
Doing good. Can you hear me loud and clear?
Yeah, I can hear you pretty clear.
Okay. Yeah, I'm testing out this new conference speaker, so just wanted to see, how you hear me on the other end there. Would you say it's better than like a speakerphone or just a regular iPhone call?
It sounds very crisp and clear to me. Very, very good, good sound.
Okay. Do you hear any background noise or anything?
No?
Okay. All right, sounds good, man. Just like I said, wanted to give you a quick call and test out this new speaker.
Sure, anytime.
All right, I'll talk to you later.
Bye-bye.
The speakerphone worked well with no issues. I tested it through several calls and FaceTime. Other parties had no issues hearing me and it came in loud and clear. This is a good option for those that are working from home and don't want to use headphones for long hours, or those that want to enhance a call quality during long meetings. The only thing I would have liked to seen is a longer battery life. Depending on the volume levels, the advertised 8 hours can be a bit shorter, but for the price, this has tremendous value. So that is my review of the eMeet Luna Bluetooth speakerphone. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.